What's up, you guys? My name's Jesse and welcome to my channel. So I'm getting my Series 3 XJ6 ready for Smog. So today we're finna be replacing the air filter, cleaning the flow meter, the throttle body, and the vapor screen. So let's get to it. Loosen the air intake hose clamps. Rotate the air intake housing and release the spring clips securing the cover. Slide the cover assembly forward. Remove the 11mm nut securing the plate. A dirty air filter can reduce performance, while a clean air filter can help prevent contaminations from entering the engine. Before installing the new air filter, clean and remove any dirt and grease from the inside of the air filter housing. Now let's clean the airflow meter. Remove the bracket nuts. Remove the air intake hose. Remove the lower hidden bracket nut. Disconnect the electrical connectors. Clean the airflow meter with mass airflow sensor cleaner. A clean airflow meter can help regulate the air-fuel mixture more accurately and improve the fuel economy. Let's clean the throttle body. Spray some carb or throttle body cleaner on a rag or towel and wipe clean the throttle body. A clean throttle body can allow a smoother airflow into the engine, which can improve the power delivery. Now let's clean the crankcase vapor screen. The XK engine doesn't use a PCV valve. Instead, it has this metal tubing that runs from the throttle body and the charcoal canister into the crankcase. Before we start, I'm going to clean around the area with some brake cleaner. I don't want any debris going inside of the engine. Loosen the hose clamp from the elbow breathing boot, then pull the tube away. The boot is secured by a steel locking cable. Over time the boot will crack and brittle. If you show signs of wear, it's a good idea to replace it. Use a 7/16 or a 12mm wrench to remove the mounting nuts. Use a 9/16 or a 15mm socket to remove the smog pump bracket nut. Remove the 17mm bracket bolt. Remove the gaskets and the screen. Clean the vapor case tank with throttle body or brake cleaner and use a wire brush. spray clean the screen. This vapor screen collects grime, and over time it can cause a bad blockage. Install new gaskets and put everything back. Wipe clean the surface. Pull the smog pump towards you when installing the mounting bolt, making sure that it's going in straight. You don't want to strip the bolt.
Alright you guys, if y'all found this video helpful, hit that like button, or should I say the thumbs up button. This whole time I've been saying like button. Nobody bothered to tell me that I've been saying it wrong this whole time. It is what it is. I'm still gonna say like button. And if you personally want to support this channel, there's a donation link in the video description, or you can purchase a super thanks. All donations will be used for tools, parts, and video equipment, and bring you guys more dope Jaguar knowledgeable videos just like this one. Of course, you're not obligated. Thanks for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Late.